In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to make a jackfruit jam that I like to flavor and plate like a halwa. I love using ripe jackfruit, but they do have seeds in them and need to be de-seeded. We just blend it a bit just so that it gets a bit easier to cook. So then you cook this on real slow, just half cup of coconut jaggery. We add a little water because this is an oil-free version, so I'm just putting in half a cup. So we can also help this get a little more jammy-like consistency with a potato masher. Just squish it a bit, gets the consistency going, dot of a halwa. At this point, we'll add a little apple cider vinegar to help it get a little glossy. So I think we're almost there. So we're going to add some Indianness to it. So the first thing would be elaichi or cardamom, and then we put in pistachios. Give such festive till to our dishes. Few ingredients, lots of love, lots of patience, and you get this delicious dish that's really healthy for you. I can't wait to get into this. It tastes just like any amazing decadent halwa.